welcome to this video. In this video, let's talk about Ollama. So Ollama is a repository of large language models. So if you go to models here, you can see different models that are present as part of Ollama. So we have Gamma, DeepSeek, Llama models. All of these models are open source models. So open source models are something that you can download on your local system and use them as part of your frameworks, LLM frameworks. You can develop fine-tuned models on top of these models for your specific purpose that serves your use case. So in order to use these models on your local system, Ollama provides the downloading. You can download Ollama on your local system and get started with it. So in order to download Ollama, go to downloads. According to your OS that you are running on, download the exact version onto your system. So as I'm running on Mac OS, I'll be downloading the Mac OS version. So once you have downloaded the Ollama and installed it, you should be able to see it running as part of your local system. So now you have the successful installation and running of Ollama on your system. Next, let's look at how we can communicate with these models, pull one specific model onto our local system and use it. So for our example, let's communicate with Llama 3.2. Okay. So let me go to my terminal. So I'm using Visual Studio. So here, if you have a successful installation, you can try running Ollama and you should be able to see these commands pop up here. And when you click Ollama serve, sorry. So we are already running it on my local system, but if you are running this for the first time, you will have Ollama successfully running on your system. So let's look at the commands again. Ollama serve so shows the information of the models, and let's try Ollama pull. So this helps us to pull the model from the repository onto our local system. So when I say Ollama pull Llama 3.2, let's check the name. Yeah, so Ollama 3.2, perfect. So once you pull this, you should see that our Llama 3.2 has been pulled here. So once it's pulled onto your system, let's look at the model if it's running or not. Ollama ls. So this shows you the models that are available. So if you see here, 15 seconds ago we have started Llama 3.2. So this ensures that our models are running successfully. So in order to communicate with the model, you can use the command Ollama run the model name. So once you run this, we ensure that we are running the expected, so that once you run this command, you'll be able to communicate with the model on your terminal, as you see here. Llama, can you do coding for me? So this is one way that we can communicate with the models. In our next videos, let's look at creating model files and how to fine-tune the large language model to fit your specific use case. Followed by that, let's look at LangChain and LangGraph for our purpose. Thank you.